This is my portfolio for January 4th, 2021. Now looking at the overall market, it started off really strong. I was at 23,500, and then eventually it became a red day, going down almost $1,200. Eventually come back up just a little bit positive, and that's mostly because of bio-nanogenomics, which has really saved me. Then one of the biggest losers today would be Cinemark, which I'm down about 5% or 355. I'm going back. All right, now on red days in the market, I usually like to try to buy the things that went down in value. And right now there's 5 stocks I'm looking at purchasing every day. The first one being Square. So usually I just invest in dollars, about $10 a day. Usually see, all-time high of the day is 225. Now it's a little lower at 218, so I'll just put a small purchase of $10. All right, and the next stock I want to look at is PayPal, the owner of the Venmo app. Definitely a good financial app and stock to invest in. You can see its growth this year, along with most other tech and finance stock, has been pretty dang high. All right, and then I'll do another $10 in this one. Done. And now looking at ARK ETF with the genomics one. That one's pretty similar. It also has 100% growth for the last year, actually 186. And then we'll just do invest in dollars, $10 in that one. All right, and now we have 2 more, and then I'm going to do another ARK FinTech Innovation. Pretty much like the others, you've seen 100% growth over the last year, and even more over the last 5 years, even though it's still a relatively new ETF or stock. All right, and then we're also going to do that $10. All right, and the last one I've been making daily purchases in would be Tesla. Now, it's pretty easy to be like, oh, Tesla's too high. Look at that. Hovering around 740 today, when just last week it was at 660. This is insane, but hey, I got in pretty late to invest in Tesla, but even then I'm still up 65% or $1,500. I have close to about $4,000 in it. And while I probably won't increase my portfolio that much, I still like to add another few $10, $20 every day or so. All right. Those were some of the moves I did today. I do have some daily recurring investments already placed on, but then pretty much I like to stick to maybe 5 solid stocks that I think are going to grow for the next year to 5, and I definitely think those are. This. I also have been investing into bio-nanogenomics, ticker symbol BNGO. Now I sold most of my shares about last week for about 200% profit, made about $800 or so, and now I dove back in and I've been pricing up, unfortunately, because this stock seems to keep on going up. However, I still have about 335 shares and an average cost of $537, which still leaves me with a 22% profit or $400. And I'll probably be watching this closely and maybe put a few hundred more dollars in, but there's a small chance that this might go down if it doesn't get approved with the new news. But then if it does get invested in by ARK, you could see maybe $10, $20 a share. So definitely a good stock to keep your eye on. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, or you want me to look up any stocks or anything else like that, please comment below. I'll get back to you. Hello.